Craig, you wanted a test. That's exactly what you got. How do you sum up those 90 minutes?
No, tough, especially first half. We didn't start well. Once you got 2 goals behind very early against a good opponent, but we were stressed in that period as well, and we have to find a way through it. It's not the first time. We were 3-0 down against Belgium in a period of the game, so we need to manage these moments better. But these type of oppositions, if you're not working together as well as what we would like, they will make you pay for it. And we had to pay a big price first half. In these moments, in these type of atmospheres, you're going to be stressed. And that's the periods where if we don't do what makes us a good team, then we become very ordinary. And also vulnerable with the way we play. Now, in order to not be vulnerable and ordinary, we need to shift quicker, we need to find our triggers better, and also when we have the ball, we need to keep the ball, create better angles. Now, if you're not able to do it, this type of opposition will make you pay, and that's what we need. Now, I could go and play a lesser team where we know the answers, we have a lot of the ball, but that moment of being stressed and also the intensity, listen, we're dealing with Champions League players. We know where they are. That speed, that physicality, they will test you then. And we need to look after the ball better than what we were able to do. But also, we needed to work better as a unit. When we were stressed, they were making runs. We started doing 1 or 2 things we don't do. And that can happen when you're under pressure.
Focus very quickly now turns to a huge game against Belgium. What can you take from tonight, Craig?
No, take a lot, honestly. We have a good look back, be able to give a lot back to the players. There was some positives second half for the players who came on as well. JJ especially was exceptional, but he is that. And now, look, I have no problem with your sort of ego being dented either. It's not a problem to me. It's like Monday now, and it's listen, this is hugely important. This is not like I'm very, very disappointed, but also Monday gives you that determination. We need to be full intensity and another tough game against a tough opposition.
Just very quickly, Thomas has just said he felt the England supporters were quiet. They were anything but. You all went over to them in the corner. Just a quick word on their support.
No, incredible. But I'd like to give them more to cheer. Their support, I have to be honest, and it has been for a number of years now. When you look at Kazakhstan, all the games I've been involved with, the amount that travel, that connection the players have with them and they have with the players, it's really special. I'm glad to just hang on with that, hang on the back of it. But I have to be honest, they don't cease to amaze me. They don't. And even today, I don't want them cheering and being losing. Do you understand what I want to give them something more? And that just gives us more determination to give them more, because we believe they deserve that.